Do you want to be a part of new technological revolution that will drive the future? Are you looking to upskill yourself to prepare for your future? Yes, this course is for you. Deep Learning 101. The question in everyone's mind is, what is deep learning? Will it affect me? Well, believe it or not, most of our life around us has been made so simple with the applications of deep learning. For example, you reach your office on time with the Google Maps. You are getting the movie recommendation in Netflix which are made just for you. And also, you are getting the product recommendations in Amazon which suits your preference. And the list goes on. All these are applications of deep learning. I hope this was enough to make you jump out of your seat. With this course on deep learning, you'll kickstart your learning journey and start building the intuition as how this wonders around us works, so that you can be an active contributor for the new technological revolution that's happening around you and in your organization. Here, you start from learning about basic nuts and bolts of deep learning, and then you move further to understand the models in deep learning with real-world dataset. By the end of this course, you will be able to implement the deep learning models using Keras. So guys, start now to become future ready and to stay ahead in the career by being in hottest trends in technology. The best preparation for tomorrow's technology is learning today. I'll see you in the lesson 1.